Hello guys, good morning. A little bit rainy today. I know it's not ideal. It's that's the guy upstairs' department. Hope you're all doing well. Oh, what a month it's been. But you can't dwell on stuff. You've got to move on, onwards and upwards. So, we got another war. Brilliant. Well done, Trump. Well done. Seems like the entire region has just flared up. There's only one person on the planet that could do that. Went to the petrol station this morning. Everybody's panic buying. Actually tried 2 petrol stations near me, panic buying everywhere. So I had to go to a little independent one I know of. Alright, it's a little school trip. I used to go on those little school trips. Trouble is, I was just by myself. Oh yeah, sprayed deodorant this morning and inhaled it. Dried my throat right out. I wasn't planning on doing this video today, but seeing as I'm down here, oh, actually, while I'm making the video, there's something I want to explain to somebody particular. They know who they are. I am a YouTuber, yes. I hate using that term. But there are 2 types, the paid YouTuber and the unpaid YouTuber. And the paid YouTubers are the ones that's been selected for the partner program because they've reached over 1,000 subscribers. Or 1,000 or over. I'm not there yet. I'm at 277, so I'm an unpaid YouTuber. My goal is to get to 1,000, and then I can become my own boss, basically. That's what I wanted to explain. So, now that's out of the way, on with the video. Please don't be more lights down here. Please, 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 please. They should be done by now. Please be done. Please be finished. Please. Excellent. So what we're gonna do, right? Because the bridge in the harbour, the dry dock bridge, is having maintenance done on it. So what we're gonna do, we're going to go along a little bit of the promenade, turn around, come back, and then maybe go up around Haymore or Goldville. It's hard to say that. Goldville. Wow, little trees down there. I don't think I'm meant to come out this way, am I? No. I've gone past my turn off because I was yapping. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn around. Oh. The end of this month, I've got my MOT, so that's going to be fun. I know it needs a sensor. It's to do with the ABS. It might just need cleaning. Yeah, I missed my turn off completely. This is what happens when I'm yapping away. I'm just yappity yap yap yap. Yes, see, down here. Look. Whoa. It's good under your armpits, not down your throat. Nice landy. I mean, I like Land Rovers, but believe me, that inside they have there's nothing luxurious about them at all. No electric windows, I mean the new ones might, but no electric windows, no ABS, no aircon, no traction control. I think you even have, yeah. No electric windows, I've said that, but you've got to wind the windows down. So yeah, I don't know how long this video is going to be, but it's just in case Wednesday's rained out. I mean, it's not too bad today. To see what Wednesday's like, because I was going to go to from St Ives just along the the coast road there. Going in there. That's it. You take your time, my lover. Right, so we'll go down to the it's hard to say, swimming pool. Lips aren't working. Turn around, come back, and maybe head out towards Golville or Haymore. The oil rig's gone. Well, the oil rig / ship, sorry, should I say. Again, guys, if you want, you can fast forward this a little bit. Exciting times. There we go, look. Wakey, wakey! Right, so mental note, lights there. Don't come back this way. Seems like you really can't escape it. Everywhere you go these days, it's just roadworks all over the place. There's lights down there too. Yeah, do you know what? We're gonna go up here. I'm sorry guys, I'm just making this one up as I go along in my head. It's funny, I was looking at those guys. I know you shouldn't judge, I really know you shouldn't judge, but you can always tell when you're looking at two people that like the alternative substances. Are you going to wait for me? Oh, we'll spin then on that drain. And you want to cross the road there, you silly woman? Yes, I called her a silly woman. Silly person. Seems like the rain is picking up a little bit. Right, I'm going to take a left up here, I think. This woman's going to think I'm following her in a minute. think we're going to go straight across through Haymore, up round the back, up round back, up round the back. Because I hope you're having better weather than this. Go! Go, 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 go. Oh, you! Oh! Cheeky! Run! God, she looked absolutely knackered. Hats off to her though. Hats off to her. Seems to be a lot of runners down here today. Out in the rain, maxing the extreme. Is that a speed bump? I have to admit, I've never really noticed that before, probably because that road's been, road by the school has been resurfaced. Right, let's go up here. Blast and see what's on the radio. 20 miles. Thank you. Is it me or is the rain stopping? Madron Cemetery. Lovely. Right. I remember now, this road takes me out to the cliffs. I really don't want to do that. So find the next left, turn off there. Yes, it's another magical mystery tour. You never know what you're gonna get. this is where that guy was pheasanting. Are we pheasanting, sir? Are we pheasanting again? Yes, this is taking me out to the cliffs. I don't want that. Wasn't there a place that I could turn off? There we go, look. Down here. Newbridge. Oh yeah, no, I'm not going down there, because that, some really rough roads down there. I remember that now. I came out at Newbridge. It's alright, now we'll go a little bit further down this way. Let's do a little bit of exploring. It's hardly exploring, since I roughly know where I am. That goes God knows where, because ye old locals have ripped the sign off. I remember being out here on my BMW. Rear-wheel drive, mind you. Snowing, complete whiteout. I couldn't see no less than 3 feet in front of the bumper. And unbeknownst to me, because the car was quite new to me, I had the traction control off. Amazingly, it didn't step out or anything, luckily. But yeah, I was lucky that night. What's the time, Mr. Watch? I think there's a place down here I can turn off. It's good, this, isn't it? Hey, let's all get lost with Craig, the man with absolutely no sense of direction whatsoever. You can drive past them as slowly as possible, and dog walkers will look at you like you are the worst person on the planet, like you are everything that's wrong with the world. Oh dear. Oh dear, dear, dear. I'm at Leighton. Right, they're going to be late anyway. I'm picking my brother and sister up. They've been in town. And, I'm out here! Right. Luckily I've got plenty of fuel. So, kind of in a way, I am partially doing these knives to St Justin's Cliff Road. Where's this go? Where am I? Right, this goes to Little Bossulo. Doesn't look so little from here. There's another turn off here we can go, and it'll take us to. Let's have a gander. This will take us to. Nope, don't want to go there. I think down here there's a fork in the road, and I can make a choice. Failing that, I'll just. God, there's a bit of Cornish there, wasn't it? Failing that, I'll just. Here we go. I'm going to go down here. Look. Yeah, suggests is only 5 miles away. Oh god. Right, so we'll come around here, right around here. Wow. Last look, I only had about 10 minutes to spare. I think they're going to be very, very angry. I know where I'm going to come out. Oh look, bus. There's the bus on the narrow bit where you normally meet them. I think I'm going to just let him go by. I think that would be wise. That means Torellard isn't that far. I can get on the Torellard road back down into Penzance. Yeah, Torellard is just over there, look. It's only over there. Oh. Big pothole. Managed to avoid the worst of it. I think that bus is gone. I think. Right, now we can. Now I know where I am. So in a way, I kind of am doing a partial St Ives to St Just as Morva. A place that sounds like it's out of Lord of the Rings. I love it. I love it. This is how intelligent crows are. There was a lone crow sat on top of a scarecrow. It's not scaring any crows, is it? Yeah, they're going to be late anyway. They're always about 10-15 minutes late. Well, here we go, guys. The St Ives to St Just Coast Road thingy. Vid. I don't think Torellard's that far away. Plenty of room. I see you're not going to stop for anyone, are you? Some people are so pushy they'd actually even drive into an accident, you know, a crash. They'd crash into you. Gone is all common sense. I think that's just it. I think some people, I'm having a little whinge here by the way, I think some people are just completely devoid of any common sense. Right, we're nearly at past, I'm sure. They won't mind, will they? They'll be alright. Hello, Goose. Right, get into fifth. did end up partially making that video. Wednesday's video. Kind of leaves me at odds now at what to do on Wednesday. If I do a video on Wednesday. This one's going to be quite sizable. Slow on corners because you never know, there might be roadworks and they just forgot to put up the sign. You just never know. Use the brakes to slow down, bit of engine braking. Ah, this one here. This is a real neck wrencher. You've got to wrench your neck right around. That's okay. Right, we're on the Penzance road. I can see a queue of traffic down here. It's either going to be a tractor or someone doing 40 miles an hour. There we go. I know that through here I think it's 30, isn't it? It's a little white Mini. It's a little white Mini, and they're going to do that speed all the way into Penzance. Why is it when you're in a rush to get somewhere, it is literally always the same? You're stuck behind somebody that you swear is on limp home mode, but they're not, they're just slow drivers. Oh, of course it's a learner, isn't it? I know we all have to start somewhere. Personally, I was always told to slow down, but well, at least I've got an excuse now. Sorry, I was stuck behind the learner. I wouldn't have the patience to be a driving instructor. I really wouldn't. Well, that's one down. That's it, he's pulling in. Thank you. The driving instructor probably looked at her and thought, oh God, see all the cars. Now let's have a discussion about how slow you were driving. I don't know, to some people it just comes naturally. To others, you know, they really have to put an effort in to learn to drive. For me, it came naturally. To see the length of this video and also watch this car in front, because they're just randomly braking for no apparent, well, they're braking because they're too close to the car in front. Seems like we're playing the braking game. Oh, nearly there. Anyway guys, this video is going to be drawing to a close soon. I know. The excitement and sheer adventure has been incredible on this one. I've surpassed myself. Right. Nearly down to the roundabout. And then we can take a left down to seafront. Anyway guys, you know, it's the end of the video, so like, comment and subscribe. Subscribing is free. It helps me out a ton. Want anything to say? Throw it down in the comments. You know, I'm always listening. I read all the comments, probably because I don't get that many. But yeah, take care guys, look after yourselves, and I'll see you again. See you guys. Cheers.